So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to do your question number 6A first, then later on I'll do other question if you ask. Okay. So let's see what is given here in the question number 6A. Okay, question number 6A. A retailer purchased an electric bicycle for Rs 35,000. Purchased, okay, purchased and sold at a profit of 16% means that is cost price. किन भन्दा यसमा profit percent भनेर भनेको छ नि, जुन प्राइसमा profit percent या profit आउँछ त्यो भनेको cost price हुन्छ. In that way, you have to know. Okay, so here in given we have to write for an electric bicycle, for an electric bicycle. Okay, for an electric bicycle you have to write for an electric bicycle what is given. A retailer purchased भनेको किन्यो भनेको छ है. Purchased को meaning के हो त, किन्नु हो, कुनै सामान buy गर्नु, buy गर्नु, that is purchased भनेको. So here you can write here cost price. Okay, so cost price, that is CP. Cost price CP equals to Rs 35,000. Cost price CP equals to Rs 35,000 and sold at a profit of means profit percent is also given here. Profit percent. Okay, percent means what is given here? 16% is okay, 16% to a customer. How much did the customer pay with 13% VAT? Means VAT percent is also given here. Okay, VAT percent is also given. That is VAT. In this way, you can write VAT percent equals to 13%. And what is asked here? How much did the customer pay? Okay, the amount that customer pay is SP with VAT. जहिले पनि कस्टमरले पे गर्ने अमाउन्ट भनेको SP with VAT हो. Okay, know that one. SP with VAT, this equals to what? So for SP with VAT, our formula SP with VAT go formula, you know that SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So what we are going to do here? First of all, we are going to find here SP. SP find out गर्न सकिने condition छ यहाँ, किन भन्दा cost price पनि given छ, profit percent पनि given छ. So we can find here SP. Now first we are going to find here selling price. Selling price, that is SP. Selling price SP equals to what we can write here? Formula is 100 plus that G percent लेखेको छौं, P percent G percent means same, profit percent नै हो. 100 plus P percent divided by 100 into CP. Okay, so here you have to write 100 plus. अब यो पहिले यो फर्मुला युज गरेका छौं हामीले P percent भनेर, यहाँ 16% लेख्ने हैन, simply you have to write your number मात्र लेख्ने हो. यो फर्मुलामा यो फर्मुला पहिले नै यसमा के हुन्छ, यो upon 100 को क्याल्कुलेसन पहिले भइसक्यो हुन्छ. That's why you have to just write here 16 मात्र लेख्ने, यसमा कन्फ्युजन नहुने. Okay, so 100 into CP means 35,000. What we have to write here? 35,000. So let's calculate it. अब हामीले त यहाँ simply we can cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros from here, and this is 116 into 350. So what we'll get here SP in RS 116 into 350. Okay, so this is 40,600. 40,600. So SP is 40,600. Okay, therefore what we, therefore SP means RS 40,600. अब हामीलाई SP पनि थाहा भयो, VAT percent पनि थाहा छ भने what we are going to write here? Again by formula. We are going to write here again by formula, because ultimately we have to find their SP with VAT. That's why we are going to use that formula, SP with VAT formula. Okay, so let's see our SP with VAT formula. Again by formula, okay, and by formula SP with VAT. SP with VAT. SP with VAT equals to, the formula is SP plus VAT percentage. SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, SP with VAT equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So let's write here. SP means we have found here 40,600 plus VAT percent means 13 percentage of 40,600. 13 percentage of 40,600. Okay, so we can write here 40,600 plus 13 divided by into 40,600. So here two zeros we can cancel, and we found 406 and 13. Okay, so we can multiply here 406 into 13. 406 plus 13, 5,278. So this is RS plus 40,600. We'll get here RS 45,878. 45,878. Okay, and this is the answer. अब हामीलाई सोधेको पनि यही हो. So what to write here in conclusion? अब conclusion मा चाहिँ हामीले के लेख्नु पर्यो त? How much did the customer pay for it? Okay, how much did the customer pay for it? So we'll write here. Hence customer paid RS 45,878. 45,878 for it. Any confusion? Do you have any confusion?
No, sir.
Because cost price was given. Okay, cost price was given, profit percent given, VAT percent was also given. First of all, we found here SP. Okay, after finding SP, then we found here SP with VAT. Okay, so SP with VAT is 45,878, and that is our answer. Okay. Okay, let's move to the other question. Okay, two questions we have to discuss. As well as we are going to discuss two questions in question number 9. Okay, so at least we have to do up to question number 9. हामीले question number 9 सम्म चाहिँ आज complete गर्नु छ. That's why. Okay, so if you have done this one, then let's do question number 9. Okay, so I'm going to share here first question number 9. Okay, so look at here, question number 9. Okay, so try to understand the question. In question number 9, a shopkeeper bought sunglasses and a shopkeeper bought sunglasses and sold it at a profit of 20% to a customer. 26 for it with 13% VAT. At what price did the shopkeeper buy it? Okay, in this question, we have to find your cost price. that, what you are given here? You are given here SP with VAT. Okay. SP with VAT given. VAT percent also given. Profit percent is given. So SP the profit percent, then you can easily find the SP the profit percent. Then you can easily find the CP. Okay. So can you explain it, Umanga?
Yes, sir.
9 number. How to do? What to do? Can you explain it?
Wait, sir. I'm seeing.
Okay.
उयो के अरे एसपी विथ भ्याट छ हैन यहाँ एसपी विथ भ्याट छ भनेपछि एसपी विथ भ्याट इज इक्वल्स टु एसपी प्लस भ्याट पर्सेन्ट अफ एसपी गर्ने अनि एसपी आउँछ एसपी आउँछ अनि एसपी आएपछि अनि कस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल्स टु 100 इन्टु एसपी डिभाइडेड बाइ 100 प्लस profit percent 20%.
Okay. Absolutely correct, Umanga. Very good. Okay, that is the, yeah, in that way we can solve it. Either this way solve garne. You know, on the SP with bad given, bad percent also given, so we can find SP first. After finding SP, then from SP and profit percent we can find CP. Okay, absolutely correct. Good. Okay, so 9B. Now, Srijal, can you explain 9B? Srijal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain 9B how to do?
Cost price, sir, this is gross price, no? RS 25,000.
That is cost price.
It's selling price.
Very completely
SP with that. SP with that.
Okay, SP with that. Good. SP with VAT is given. Then
SP with that is equals to SP. VAT percent of SP.
SP plus VAT percent of SP. Okay. Okay, SP plus VAT percent of SP. From there, what we can find?
SP with that. SP.
No,
SP मात्र फाइन हुन्छ.
SP फाइन्ड आउट हुन्छ है त. अब सोधेको त हामीलाई कस्ट प्राइस छ. क्याल्कुलेट फर्स्ट को कस्ट प्राइस फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु छ. भनेपछि अब कसरी फाइन्ड आउट हुन्छ?
Selling price minus cost price. Loss is equals to selling price minus.
उल्टो भयो फर्मुला.
Cost price minus selling price.
Okay, loss will get. हैन तर त्यस्तो फर्मुला त युज गर्नु पर्दैन होला यहाँ हामीलाई जस्तो एसपी थाहा भयो र लस पर्सेन्ट थाहा छ भने सीपी कसरी फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने? एसपी त थाहा भइसक्यो. Okay, from SP with VAT and VAT percent we found their SP थाहा भयो यो हामीले
SP is
यसमा
equals
फाइन्ड
to
आउट
SP is equals to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP.
Okay, from there also you can find. Okay, you can use that formula also. Yeah, हाम्रो direct CP को formula पनि छ नि, CP equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Okay, that formula also you can use. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think these questions you can solve. है अब सबैले सल्भ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ होला किन भन्दा 9B सम्म हामीले डिस्कस गर्यौं कसैलाई के कन्फ्युजन छ कुनै एक्सप्लेन गरिदिनु पर्ने छ भने you ask me. Okay, I will explain it.
Sorry, bad percent.
Okay.
Wrong. Okay, wrong.
एकैछिन है त 7 को A मा हामीलाई ट्रेडर पर्चेस्ड ल्यापटप फर RS 45,000 भनेपछि प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट हामीलाई SP फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ. ओके, यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो SP भनेको के हुन्छ त
55,800.
हो. लेट मी सी है त A plus P% भनेको 124 हो. 124 भयो 124 divided by 100 into योसँग इन्टु गर्नु पर्यो हामीले कति 45,000 5,800 हो.
अनि 55,800 गरेर उयो that amount निकाल्नको लागि SP minus CP गर्दा हुन्छ हैन.
भ्याट अमाउन्ट को लागि हैन है उल्टो गरेर रहेछ. SP with VAT minus SP गर्ने भनेपछि 7,254 आउँछ भ्याट अमाउन्ट है त.
ए त्यही मिस्टेक भएर रहेछ मेरो भयो भएछ.
ओके, नाउ यु क्यान डु है गर्न सकिन्छ किन भन्दा हामीले चाहिँ भ्याट अमाउन्ट को लागि चाहिँ SP with VAT minus SP है. ओके, so that you can do this one. अब गर्न सकिन्छ होला. And our time is also over. Okay, so try to do up to question number 9B. सबैले question number 9B सम्म try गर्ने. If you could not do any question, okay, then I will do next time. अब अर्कोबाट गरौँला. आजको लागि चाहिँ time is over. So this much for today. Thank you everyone. Have a good day and bye bye.
Bye bye sir.
Okay, bye bye everyone.